Hello everyone, this is Dr. Priya here and welcome to New Roots Hair Clinic. Today we'll be discussing a technique which is called no-shave hair transplant. Well, a hair transplant technique consists of extracting follicles from the donor area, which is from the back of your head, and then implanting it into the affected area wherever thinning is happening or wherever you have bald patches. So here at New Roots Hair Clinic, we have a team and they'll need to shave a portion of the donor area first so that it becomes easier to extract the healthy follicles. As we all know that there are different grades of baldness, and usually most of our patients, they opt for a full head shave so that they get an even look or a uniform look after transplant. But in no shave technique, what we'll do is we'll only shave the donor portion, like a small portion of the donor area, and we'll keep the entire scalp as it is. Now let's talk about the advantages and few disadvantages that comes with this technique. So let's talk about the advantages first. The major advantage that comes with this technique is that nobody will be able to say or tell that you have undergone transplantation, and the remaining hair that you have on your scalp will continue to grow as it is because we are not touching the affected part. We are only shaving the donor portion of your head. The second best part about this technique is that the existing hair which is on your scalp will give the surgeon a sense of the angle and direction to make the slits, so that after the transplant you will have a very natural result. It is also a great help for female patients, especially who doesn't want to go for a full head shave for obvious reasons, and for that matter celebrities as well, or patients who do not wish to lengthen the process of surgery and who wants to get to their work as soon as possible. So in all these patients, no shave hair technique is the best. Now let's talk about the disadvantages. Well, this technique is a bit lengthy as compared to the other techniques. Why? Because your existing hair will be a little lengthy and it might come in the field and it may blur the vision. Also, you'll have to be extra cautious for the following 6 to 7 days or till the head wash, so that your existing hair doesn't damage the newly implanted hair. At New Roots Hair Clinic, we provide no shave hair transplant technique for those patients who are in a lesser grade of baldness like 2, 3 or 4. This technique is very good for those patients who want to keep it discreet and does not want to disclose the fact that they have undergone transplantation, which I mentioned earlier also. And for female patients, for those patients who want to opt for no shave hair transplant, they can add on with DHI technique so that they get a very speedy recovery. Now let's talk about the cost of this technique. Well, I mentioned earlier that this is a bit lengthy procedure as compared to the other techniques, so the cost also is a bit higher. I hope this video was helpful to everyone. I'll see you again with a new video. Till then, please take care.